What's up? It's that time of year to sing Christmas carols. I love Christmas, and I just wanted to sing one for you, um, and I hope you like it. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. Baby, all I want for Christmas is you. I don't wanna lie for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I don't need to hang my stocking there upon the fireplace. Santa Claus won't make me happy with a toy on Christmas Day. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. Baby, all I want for Christmas is you. Ooh, baby. I won't ask for much this Christmas. I won't even wish for snow. I'm just gonna keep on waiting underneath that mistletoe. I won't make a list and send it to the North Pole for Saint Nick. I won't even stay awake to hear those magic reindeers click. 'Cause I just want you here tonight, holding on to me so tight. What more can I do? Baby, all I want for Christmas is you. All I want for Christmas is you, baby. 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 All I want for Christmas is you.